I am at the Dearborn Hills Golf Club. It's about roughly 9:32 in the morning. And looks like everything is going on here except for golf. We have a bit of a flood here. It's hard to film through this lattice work, but over there you can see some garbage buckets. Way over there is a stop sign. I guess the stop sign should be about, what, 4 feet, 5 feet off the ground? Just give you an idea. So trying to film the stop sign between this lattice work. Okay, and there's people trying to get under an underpass here. So this is going to be the intersection of Telegraph and Michigan. And I'll show you some of the flooded out golf course as I walk over there. Here's a traffic jam created by what I assume is going to be a flooded underpass. Over there you can see the flooded underpass. And let me see if that's a vehicle stuck in the water. No, it's not stuck in the water. I'm going to try to carefully hold the camera as I put it over the edge of this fence. And there's the stop sign I talked about earlier. You figure a stop sign is what, 4 or 5 feet off the ground? So it feels a bit weird. be able to just walk down a state road like this without getting run over. But the road is closed. Judging by all the debris floating around here or lying around here, probably in the middle of the night the water was around here. Probably a lot bigger and a lot more menacing last night. See what's going on at the other end. Looks like over there is a car that's been paralyzed by the water. Water was probably way higher last night, and I missed all the fun. Should have come out late last night and filmed, even though darkness and filming are mortal enemies of one another. So here we are. This is what it looks like at the intersection of Telegraph and Michigan. Looks like this has produced a bit of a traffic jam. Let's see how far back this traffic jam goes. Now I'm going to head back to the car. It looks like it's not going to be a good idea for me to check the post office box in Taylor today. Okay. Let's see if we can get more of the flood. Okay, this lattice work is a bit of a pain, and I'm not tall enough to just put the camera over the fence. Trying to film some signs Give you some idea of what the depth of this must be. These look like some parking signs. Probably what, 5-6 feet off the ground. And that's where the water's gone up to. Over there's some building. Not exactly sure what it is. Maybe it's a golf club. Hopefully they don't have a basement. And some more of the traffic jam. Are more of the flood. Looks like that's just a log, a floating tiny log. For a moment thought maybe it was an alligator, but wrong state for that. And over there's a bird that seems to be enjoying this flood. You hear an occasional beep in the background. Have a natural catastrophe going on. No one asked for the natural catastrophe, but if we all start beeping impatiently and acting like the beasts of the field instead of humans endowed with discourse of reason, we're going to make the traffic jam move faster. And we can see more of the traffic jam. I have to assume some people thinking if they go to the golf course they can take a shortcut. Looks like not. Jam goes back a bit. Looks like we're now at the intersection of Telegraph and Beachmont. The underpass is flooded, so everyone's being detoured onto Michigan Ave. Let me see the name of that street over there. So it looks like traffic jam goes all the way back to Telegraph in Claremont now. So, been an interesting adventure. Looks like I won't be checking the post office box in Taylor, Michigan, and I will not be eating at the Chinese buffet today.